Hello. In today's video, we are going to look on how to review the work of a student. First thing first, though, we need to be able to find these homeworks that have been submitted. There are two ways of doing this. So whenever we are on the Google Classroom homepage, we have the To Review button. We can either click on here. If not, we can go to the three lines, main menu, and from there we can also click on To Review. Both of these will redirect us automatically to this page. In here, we are going to have two tabs. First and foremost, we are going to have the things that need to be reviewed under To Review, and then we are also going to have the things that we've already reviewed in Review. For the sake of this video, we are going to look at To Review. In here, we can find a drop-down list of all the classes, and at the same time, we can see what is work in progress. So we can always see a bit the amount of assignments that have been turned in, those that have been assigned, and those that have been graded, and last but not least, returned. For the purpose of this video, we are looking at things that need to be reviewed. So here, as I can see, I have one assignment that has been turned in. Again, what I can do is I can simply click on it and I will be redirected to the student work page. In here, as we can see, I have access to the student's work by simply clicking on it. And it will open a new page where we are going to have access to the document of the student. And what it's going to do, and it's going to open the Google Docs in suggestion mode. As we are reviewing a document, we are not going to edit it, we are going to suggest some improvements. Hence, what we can do, we can always suggest by typing what we need to do. At the same time, we can grade the student directly here. We can write private comments if we want to. For instance, if I want to say, good job, this was a good work, needs a bit more detailing, that can also be done, and you can post this and the student will also receive all of his work. Moreover, what I can do is I can also move from one student to the other if I have more than one assignment that has been handed in, just by using these two arrows here. I have as well a little drop-down menu that allows me to find the students when it is turned in. So here it's a bit of a filtering of what I want to see. And whenever all of that is done, and I can put a grade for the students, 85 for instance, what I can do from there is either I can click on the little arrow and I can say I'm going to return this one submission, or I'm going to return multiple submissions if I have graded more than one student. If not, if I'm only going to be returning one simple student, I can simply click on return. And from here, it's going to say return work to one student. Student will be notified and can check any grade you've left. So for instance, 85 out of 100, and I click on return. This will return the student's homework and he will be receiving an email with this. If I go back to the page, I have now noticed that I have a third option that appears, which is the graded section, where I have now officially graded the assignment of the student. And that is how I can grade an assignment in Google Classroom. Thank you very much. Have a good day.